In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a domain for Apple Pay in Stripe. By the end, you'll have your website approved so customers using Safari can check out with Apple Pay. This process is quick, and Stripe handles the verification for you. So you won't need to upload files or edit server settings. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, look to the top right and open Settings. If you manage multiple Stripe accounts, make sure you are in the correct one for the site you are enabling. You'll also need permissions to manage payments, so if you don't see the options I mention, check with your account admin. Inside Settings, scroll to the Payments section and choose Payment Method Domains. This page is where you tell Stripe which website domains are allowed to offer Apple Pay. Registering your domain here is required for Apple Pay to show up as a payment option in Safari. Click the button that says Add a new domain. A small form will appear asking for your domain. Type your full domain name, like www.yourstore.com. Keep it simple, no HTTPS, no slashes, and no paths. If your checkout runs on a subdomain, such as shop.yourstore.com, enter that exact subdomain. Next, add variations to ensure complete coverage. Specifically, add both the www and the non-www versions. So if you entered www.yourstore.com, also add yourstore.com. Many sites redirect between these versions, and adding both prevents issues where Apple Pay might appear on one but not the other. If you use other subdomains for checkout or landing pages, apply the same logic and include those as needed. When you are done, click Save. Stripe will automatically verify your domain behind the scenes. In most cases, this happens quickly. You'll see the domain listed with a verification status, and once it shows as verified, Apple Pay becomes eligible to display in Safari on supported devices. If it doesn't verify right away, give it a moment. Make sure the domain actually resolves on the public internet and that you typed it exactly as it appears in the browser. Typos, trailing spaces, or adding extra characters are common causes of delays. That's it. You've added your domain for Apple Pay in Stripe, and once verified, customers using Safari can pay with a single tap. If you ever change your checkout domain, remember to return to this same page and add the new domain so Apple Pay continues to work smoothly. Thanks for watching.